If you've heard the term mini split, but aren't quite sure what it means, you're not alone. Hi there, I'm Tyler Ullman, Associate Director of Ductless Product Management at Carrier. So let's discuss what a mini split air conditioner is, how it works, and why it might be a great fit for your home. A ductless mini split system, in its most basic form, includes one outdoor unit and one indoor unit, connected by refrigerant tubing and electrical wiring. The indoor unit is often wall-mounted and delivers heated or cooled air directly into the living space. No ductwork needed. This is called a single zone system, and it's designed to provide heating and cooling comfort to one specific area. A Carrier ductless multi-zone system combines one outdoor unit with up to 6 indoor units to provide comfort for an entire home. Because there are several styles of indoor units available, and because installation only requires a hole in the wall for the wiring and refrigerant line, ductless HVAC systems are among the easiest and most versatile systems to install. So how does a mini split work? Ductless air conditioner systems use the same process to cool your home as a typical central air conditioning system. However, while central air conditioning uses one centrally located indoor unit that delivers cool air to the entire home through a series of ducts and vents, a ductless indoor unit blows cooled air directly into one living space. At the minimum, a complete split system includes an indoor unit with an evaporator coil and blower fan, and it has an outdoor unit with a compressor, condenser coil, and fan. The two units are connected with a copper refrigerant tubing and electrical wiring. The outdoor compressor unit pumps refrigerant through the refrigerant tubing to the indoor unit's coil. As the liquid refrigerant turns to gas, heat and humidity is removed from indoor air blowing across the coil, sending cooler, less humid air back into the living space. The refrigerant in gas form cycles back to the outdoor coil, where it is converted back to a liquid as heat energy is released through the outdoor coil. A ductless mini split heat pump system operates exactly the same way for cooling, with the additional ability to reverse the process for heating the indoor space. So that's a quick look at what a mini split air conditioner is and how it can help keep your home comfortable and efficient. If you're wondering whether a mini split is right for your space, talk to your local Carrier dealer. They're here to help you find the best solution for your home.